Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
Bishop A3.
Knight G4.
Bishop C1.
Knight F6.
G3.
E5.
Knight B3.
Bishop E7.
Bishop G2.
B5.
A store.
B4.
Knight D5.
Knight captures on D5.
Queen captures on D5.
Rook A7.
Castle's kingside.
Bishop E6.
Queen D3.
Queen C7.
Rook D1.
Castle's kingside.
Bishop A3.
Rook A8.
Rook D1.
A5.
C3.
Queen B7.
C store.
Knight D7.
F store.
F6.
F5.
Bishop F7.
Knight D2.
Knight C5.
Queen A2.
B3.
Rook A3.
Rook F B8.
Bishop captures on C5.
D captures on C5.
White captures on B3.
Queen D7.
White B5.
Rook captures on B5.
C captures on B5.
Queen D4 check.
King H1.
Queen captures on A4.
Bishop F1.
Queen B4.
White C2.
A4.
King G2.
H6.
Queen A3.
Rook D8.
Bishop A2.
Rook D4.
King F3.
Bishop H5 check.
G store.
Bishop F7.
Queen C3.
Bishop E8.
Queen captures on B store.
Rook captures on B4.
King A3.
King F8.
Bishop C store.
Bishop captures on B5.
Bishop captures on B5.
Rook captures on B5.
King D3.
Rook B4.
Knight C store.
King E8.
White C3.
King D7.
White A3.
King C6.
White C3.
King B5.
Knight A3 check.
King C6.
Knight C store.
Rook B8.
King C2.
Rook D8.
Well, D8. 30.
Rook D4.
Well, captures on D8. Store.
C. Captures on D4.
King D8. 30.
King B5.
H. 30.
King B4.
Knight D8. 2.
Bishop F8.
King C2.
Bishop E7.
King D8. 30.
King B5.
King C2.
Bishop B4.
Knight F3.
King C4.
Knight H2.
D3. Check.
King D8. 1.
King D4.
Knight F1.
King captures on E4.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.